All right, so welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you some thoughts on Tesla. It's starting to push back above the $800 price level. Keep in mind, none of these are recommendations. It's just my own personal thoughts and opinions, and we're going to kick those off. And if you want to grab my thoughts and opinions and you want to request some things, check out our Discord channel. It is in the link in the description there. You should be able to sign up where I share with you some thoughts on some charts, some technical analysis videos, and much more. So anyway, we're going to take a look at Tesla here. And Tesla continues to get back above 800 and kind of holding that price level. So if we kind of look at just what's been happening here with Tesla a little bit recently, we had this kind of double top problem that came in around the $1,200 level. So it came up, came back, retested it. So that's number one, that's number two. And now we're pushing down, came back up, and now we created kind of like a little ABCD pattern. If you really look at it, here is our A to B, B to C, C to D, and it has completed that move. Now, we're getting kind of back into this $800 price level, and it's starting to hold a little bit. So this is a good sign if you're kind of bullish on the stock. So that is good, and that's usually could be a sign of a nice nibbling opportunity where you could start positioning yourself around the 800. Again, you're watching this level. There's also some volume that really came in at that point because we had a big swing down and swing back up, Russia, Ukraine, all this other stuff going on. But nevertheless, the stock is starting to hold that $800 price level, and that's what I would watch. Some of the resistance that I would watch is right about that 950 price point. That's where we had a lot of action that rejected. Actually, it's about 945, 950. So that's kind of what you're really looking at. That also coincides with the gap that we had recently. So there's a lot of price action at that level, and that's where that's going to be a little bit of a trouble spot for that stock to kind of break through. It may pull back and retest some lows at the 800 and then break through later. That's kind of what you're looking for. But right now, overall, the stock is kind of digesting sideways in this range between 800 and 1200. And it appears like we're back above that 800, and that's usually a positive sign. And that if we can hold certain levels, that's a good thing. So anyways, those are some of the levels that I would watch if you're looking to kind of trade the stock, is just kind of watch this $800 price point and then watch about the 945, 950 for a possible rejection. Overall, this market right now, it's still kind of a little bit choppy. If you look at the ES, we're down about 52. If you check out the SPX, yeah, we're down about that $52 level, right around about 43.31. And there are some stocks that are moving, stuff like Square, popped a bit and then pulled back. But, stocks are a bit more volatile, but there you do see some movements in some areas. Like you had, Square, UPST here, pressing into some higher prices. So anyways, there are some movers, but I'd be a little bit cautious here and watch out because the market's a little bit on even ground right now with Tesla kind of pushing and trying to hold. I mean, this is a loved company, and I'll just kind of watch some of those price levels. Anyways, I want to thank you so much for joining me. If you want to grab some of the stuff that I have available, go check out the blog on the Traders Fly website. You can also go to the freebies section, and that's where you can go in and kind of download some of the freebies and templates that we have. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.